Hey guys, welcome to Bare Beauty. Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So I'm here with a very different type of video. So today's video is how to achieve foil nail art on your nail without foil nail glue. So all you'll be needing is primer, the foil and the top coat, nothing else. So the primer that I'll be using is Ultra Bond primer. I'm assuming that any primer with a sticky base is perfect. So we're going to apply the thin layer or a moderate amount of primer onto the nail. Allow that to dry. When that is dry, you then start adding the foil to the nail. So you start pressing the foil onto the nail, and then that's it. And if you want to add on, if you're only using regular nail polish, you allow the nail polish to dry completely before adding the primer and then the foil. So here I'm showing you guys. So I allow the primer to dry. Now I'm about to add the foil and sticking it onto the nail. I was so shook by the whole thing. I never knew it would work, but guess what? It worked, and I'm so happy that it did. I didn't have any nail foil to hand. Foil glue to hand, so thank God it worked. And there I go. I was so excited at this point. Look at it. Look at it. But yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you think it was informative, you know what you gotta share. And anyways guys, thank you for watching.